what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Leo Chen of Levitate Style. In this video, it's going to be all about spring style designer upgrades with MYTHERESA. I'm very excited for this spring style video because number one, we're going to a new season, new weather changes, and I'm excited for this new change. And it's always a great time for some new pieces, a new rotation, kind of freshen things up in your closet. And of course, a quick shout out to our sponsor for this video, MYTHERESA. I love shopping on their website for the latest designer drops, so definitely go check them out. This video is gonna be all about spring style designer upgrades, and you get all these pieces from MyTheresa.com. I'm gonna go over some jackets, some sweaters, and also a few different kinds of shoes that you definitely wanna upgrade for the spring season. First, let me show you guys this box that it comes in with. So I got a few new pieces from MYTHERESA. Some of these spring style designer upgrades I just got directly from MYTHERESA, and this is how nice they pack everything up. I got one sweater here, and then here's another one. On the other side here, I got a new pair of shoes. So this is all gonna be part of this whole video with spring style upgrades, and let's get right into it. Spring style upgrade number one is the Tom Ford corduroy jacket. This one here I got in this black color, and I got it in the size large. Of course, Tom Ford, I love the brand. That's one of my favorite designers. This piece here is actually made in USA. And I gotta say, I was really impressed with the quality and the details on this corduroy jacket. This one I actually picked up last year, and I still love it. I got to wear it a lot. And of course, for me, with my style, my wardrobe, I wear black a lot. But actually, if you go on MyTheresa.com right now, they have this jacket in different colors. They come in this new one in this really nice navy color. So definitely go check it out. And I just really love the texture in the corduroy. So even though it's a navy color or black color, the texture makes it look a lot more interesting. It's all about the little attention to details. The navy color looks really nice. I think that's perfect for the upcoming spring season. Line things up, navy, you can match that with everything. So I love that like rich navy texture color with that new jacket. Spring style upgrade number two is the varsity jacket. This one here is the Saint Laurent Teddy varsity jacket, and I got this in a size 50. This one here is the navy blue color with the black leather details, and this black and blue combo is just one of my favorite. I just love that I can, rock either color, and it goes with a lot of things. Kind of varsity jacket is definitely great for the spring season. It's kind of like a great transition piece because it's warm enough for like the colder, chiller months as we're leading up to get warmer and warmer. Saint Laurent Teddy jacket has become such a timeless, iconic, classic piece. You can definitely wear this season after season. And I just love the quality and the details on this. It goes well with everything. You can dress this up or down, wear it with boots, sneakers. I'm a huge fan of Saint Laurent. It's one of my favorite designers. And they have so many great jackets on their website right now. It's really up to you guys. They have denim jackets, different varsity jackets. So a lot of great selections. Just gotta pick the color and the material that you guys like. All right, next up we're gonna do some sweaters. So style upgrade number three, we have this Fendi zip cardigan. So this cardigan here I got in a size 50, which is around a US size 40, and that is a size large. This one, when I saw on the website, I knew I had to pick it up right away. So I'm a huge fan of these kind of designer sweaters and logo, and Fendi's been making a huge comeback recently. I love this detail on the sleeve here. This is their classic, that F Fendi logo. Some of their sweaters out there have the logos and designs all over the place, really big and bold and busy. This one, I just love that it's a really like timeless and classic design. You have this like zip cardigan look, so you can easily dress this up or down. And the main feature is this logo going down on the sleeve. So I think it's like really nice and subtle, not too crazy out there. And I love that it's like a nice black and brown kind of matching feature. So you can really match this with brown boots. You can wear it with black shoes. Spring style upgrade number four is this oversized sweater from Ami. This one here I got in a size medium in this oversized look. Number one is really cool because this is actually a MYTHERESA exclusive. They got some cool exclusive designer items you can only find on their website. This special red color with the big Army logo. This one is only on MyTheresa.com. And this one I love for so many reasons. I don't really have like oversized stuff. So even though it's oversized, I like to size down one size to like a medium. That way, it's still got that oversized fit, that oversized look, but not too big for me. And this kind of red color is so great. You can wear this so many times throughout the year. So for me, like, I can wear this obviously on Valentine's Day with the heart, Chinese New Year, and of course like Christmas. But even for the spring, like it's nice to have this like pop of red, this pop of color for the spring season when you want to line things up. I'm probably gonna wear this with like a nice pair of like light blue ripped jeans with some white sneakers. It's gonna be perfect when it comes to like sweater weather, when it's like 60 degrees. All you really need is like a hoodie or like a sweater like this. You see my style, I love to rock a lot of jackets and hoodies. So this kind of oversized sweater look is gonna be a little bit different. It's gonna be kind of fun. And what better way to switch things up for the spring season. Upgrade number 5 is the Thom Browne zip up hoodie. So this one here I got in the navy blue color, and I got it in a size 3. This one here, Thom Browne, if you guys didn't know, is also one of my favorite menswear designers. You see this brand a lot on celebrities and athletes like LeBron James. He loves Thom Browne, he wears them all the time. The classic style is this 4-bar going across. And I just love this style. This navy blue color is a classic. You can wear this with so many things. With that whole like sweater during the spring season. Sometimes you just need a nice light layer, and this just does the job. So even though it's just like a zip up hoodie, still just really nice and sharp and classy. Definitely a designer upgrade. So this one here, they have a lot of different colors on MyTheresa. They got the classic navy blue and gray. And if you don't like the hood or the zip up, they have different styles. They got like just like the crew neck sweatshirt. All right, next we're gonna get into some shoes. So I'm gonna get into 3 different types of shoes for this part of the video. This next one here, I'm really excited. This has been on my all-time like must-get designer grail item. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing right now, opening this up. Woo. Damn, finally, wow. Wow, when I tell you, I've been wanting a pair of these for so long. These are the Paint Splatter Margiela replica sneakers. Now, of course, for the spring style upgrade, I gotta include a pair of white sneakers. There's so many options on MyTheresa.com. Definitely go find the one you like. They have everything from Nike to Saint Laurent to Thom Browne. So just find a pair that you like. A white pair of sneaker is an absolute essential for the spring season. I mean, it can change your whole outfit just with the sneaker alone. The classic Margiela replica sneaker essentially is an all white sneaker, but this special one has the paint splatter design. When I first saw these, I just fell in love with them. I just love the whole execution, the color choices, but the sneaker itself, man, just feeling it, this material, this leather material inside and outside the shoes is super soft, like butter soft. These sneakers are such a classic, and I just love the quality and how comfortable they feel. So it was really nice to be able to pick these up and rock this for the upcoming spring season. Upgrade number 7 is the Gucci loafers. So these ones here I got in this like light beige color, and I've had these ones for a few years now. That's why I gotta bring it up when we're talking about style upgrades. These are the classic Gucci bit loafers with the hardware in the front, but also that classy Gucci webbing with this green and red color. So I love this kind of style of the Gucci. I think it's really timeless. Really love this lighter beige color because it's pretty much like a neutral. You can really match this with a lot of things. Loafer is also another no-brainer for the spring season. You want to just slip in and out of the shoes. You don't even have to wear socks. This has definitely got spring going into summer season written all over it. This one here, they got a few different styles on MyTheresa. They have in a few different colorways. They have like in black and like a lighter brown. I just really love this kind of silhouette, this like more sharper look. And of course, when it comes to like Gucci designers, I like to go more of a classic, iconic look that I don't think will go out of style. So I think this one has really proven that It's been timeless, and you can wear this season after season. It's also really nice and soft and comfortable. And like I said, I've had this for a few years now, so highly recommend it as your spring style upgrade. All right, last but not least, style upgrade number 8 is the Saint Laurent Chelsea boot. So this one here is the Wyatt Chelsea boot, another classic from Saint Laurent. A lot of the stuff they make is just so classic and timeless that just haven't gone out of style. You can also see on my wall here, I have a lot of Chelsea boots. A lot of them are Saint Laurent just because I really love their style. I love the colors, the structure, the look. It just elevates any outfit to like the next level. I could be wearing a hoodie, I could be wearing any jacket or sweater. When I throw on these kinds of boots, it just takes my outfit to another level. It really kind of dress up the whole look without that much effort. I've had this one for like a year or two now. It still looks great shape. The color, you can pick up this exact one on MYTHERESA right now. They also have a bunch of different colors, a bunch of different Chelsea boots, so definitely go check them out. This is like the classic Chelsea boot. I think this boot now has become such a style essential that almost every single shoe brand out there make a Chelsea boot now, but nothing quite like the classic Saint Laurent. This is one of those few things where the more you wear it, the more beat up you wear them. I think it looks even better. Kind of gives it more character, more age to the boot. I think it looks even better. Some of you guys are scared about suede and whatnot. I think it looks even better. I think that's what makes this stand out from other boots out there, the leather. Suede material and also this kind of lighter brown, lighter beige color is really great for the spring season, lighten things up. And this is kind of like the white sneaker. It's such a spring style upgrade essential that you get this, you're kind of good to go. You can wear this with everything and it works really well. All right, there I have, guys, another spring style video for you guys here. A lot of great pieces that we cover in this video, all available on mytheresa.com. Let me in the comments which one of these items is your favorite. As always, guys, I have all these items linked in the video description below, so you can easily go check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video, please follow me on Instagram at Levitate Style. I post daily men's fashion and travel content there, so follow along. Also, please like, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys for watching.